Okay, a professional taste tester.
Tastes like a pizza. Like we mixed it with love.
Oh, whoa.
Drop your bison.
Don't drop the bison, bro.
So we got these beautiful bison tenderloins from Gilbert Butchery. And I'm gonna cube them up and then marinate them in coconut aminos. So we have our bison cubed up and soaking in liquid aminos and some garlic.
Spread it all over the grill. Get it nice and evenly spread out. Come over here. Call them. Where'd they go? I was looking for my phone. You have my phone. Oh. Check. Here we go. You get your timer. You start it. Once 4 minutes is up, move them around. Let them sit for another 4 minutes. Total of 8 minutes. That is it. Should be nice and kind of medium rare. Don't want to overcook bison. You're not going to get a lot of the nutrients. The nutrients is where it's at. It's what repairs us. It's what heals us. And you want the most from your money. Taste. Good?
Buffalo Mozzarella. Yeah, these are homemade sourdough buns. My attempt to make a English muffin / bun. Let's see. Ooh. Now they pull apart easily. I cut them in half and then top them with the pesto and the bison and the mozzarella. I actually used some oat flour in there this time. Probably more like a teaspoon on there, just to give it flavor without too much.
Sounds good.
I'll dump it first.
Good.
Go back and load them up. Moist, I hate that word.
I like that word.
I'm kidding.
We used to eat this a lot.
All right, I'm gonna throw these on broil for, I don't know, maybe up to 5 minutes. We'll see. Get that cheese all melty. Fresh basil on top.
Yep. It's good, babe. Nice job.
Let's try them out.